Looking for the best point-and-shoot cameras to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Fujifilm X100V. The Fujifilm X100V is a top-tier point-and-shoot camera perfect for photographers who love classic design combined with modern technology. It has an impressive 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, capturing incredible detail and a wide dynamic range in a compact body. The camera features 6-stop in-body image stabilization, keeping your shot steady even in low light or while shooting handheld video. A built-in 4-stop ND filter helps control exposure in bright light, and 1.4x and 2x digital teleconverters let you reframe your shots without losing image quality. Fujifilm's 20 film simulation modes, including the new Reala Ace, offer unique color profiles straight from the camera, giving your photos a distinctive look. The hybrid optical and electronic viewfinder and simple controls make it a joy to use, providing a tactile, hands-on shooting experience. Despite its advanced features, the X100V remains sleek and portable, making it perfect for street, portrait, and documentary photography. It's an excellent choice for both enthusiasts and professionals who want great image quality and creative flexibility in a small, travel-friendly package. Number 2. Sony RX1007. The Sony RX1007 elevates compact camera performance to a professional level with its 20.1 megapixel stacked 1.0 type CMOS sensor and Zeiss Various RT * 24 to 200 mm f/2.8 to f/4.5 lens. This powerful combination delivers crisp images, creamy bokeh, and outstanding versatility across wide to telephoto focal lengths. Autofocus performance is a major highlight. Sony's AI-based real-time tracking and autofocus for humans and animals further enhance focus reliability in stills and video. Creators will appreciate 4K video recording with slog 3, interval shooting, a microphone jack, and vertical position data recording for easy social media content. Active mode image stabilization in 4K helps produce steady footage, while the diopter adjustment and compact size make it comfortable to use in a variety of conditions. Whether you're a traveler, vlogger, or enthusiast, the RX-17 offers an unmatched combination of speed, image quality, and portability in the point-and-shoot segment. Number 3. Canon PowersShot G7X Mark III. Canon's PowersShot G7X Mark III is a versatile compact camera designed for creators who want excellent stills and video performance without carrying a bulky setup. Featuring a 20.1 MP CMOS sensor and an f1.8 to f2.8 lens with 4.2x optical zoom, it captures sharp, detailed images even in challenging lighting conditions. Optical image stabilization helps reduce blur during handheld shooting, while support for RAW files offers maximum flexibility in post-processing. The camera's compact form hides impressive power for both still photography and content creation. Users looking for reliable autofocus, vibrant color rendition, and the flexibility to switch between casual snaps and serious work will appreciate how much performance Canon packs into this small body. It strikes a balance between ease of use and creative potential for photographers and videographers alike. Number 4. Sony ZV12. The Sony ZV12 is purpose-built for modern creators who want a compact camera optimized for vlogging and social content. Its ultra-wide 18 to 50 mm zoom lens easily frames everything from group shots to immersive landscapes while maintaining sharpness and clarity. The large 1.0 type sensor ensures professional-look images and excellent low-light performance. While the fast F, whether you're filming talking head videos, travel vlogs, or live streams, the ZV12 delivers crisp visuals and high-quality audio in one package. It's also versatile for still photography, offering the same image quality advantages in a point-and-OT form. For content creators who prioritize ease of use and professional-grade output without extra gear, the Sony ZV12 is a smart all-in-one solution. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix DC-X1002. The Panasonic Lumix DC-LX1002 combines a large 43 sensor with a fast Leica DC Vario Sumulix 24 to 75 mm f1.7 over 2.8 lens to deliver exceptional image quality and a compact body. Its high-sensitivity 17 mpp multi-aspect sensor allows you to switch between 43, 32, 16:9, and 1 formats without losing resolution, making it highly adaptable for creative framing. 2 appeals to photographers who want DSLR-like control and image quality without the size or weight. It's an excellent choice for travel, street, or everyday photography. Offering a unique blend of portability, creative versatility, and powerful 4K capabilities in the point-and-OOT category. Choosing the best point-and-do-it cameras means finding the perfect balance between portability, quality, and ease of use. Each model reviewed above offers unique strengths to suit different shooting styles. Whether you're capturing travel memories, creating content, or simply enjoying photography, these cameras deliver professional results without the bulk of traditional gear.